Hello, hello, my fishies. It's Kat from the Firetunaclub. I'm trying to aim for a short video today so that I can actually get it out before February. Let's see if I can do it. What you'll want to do is head over to the firetunaclub.blogspot.com and print off the pictured printables. And in the... I hear you. Okay, hang on. So as I was saying, in the interest of saving time, I am not really going to voice over this. It's a really easy tutorial to follow. If you have any questions, hit the comments section and just keep watching if you want to see how to do it. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. I hope to be releasing some more stuff soon. So I'll see you all when I finish another project.